When you read a story, there's more than words you see. Some ideas hide inside, waiting quietly. The author doesn't tell you every little thing, so your brain gets to work. Now listen and think. An inference is an idea you make from clues in the text. What do they say? Add the pictures and what you know too. Put it all together, that's what readers do. Look at the scene, facial expressions tell you what they mean. The words give hints, not always the answer, so you think a little harder, you're a reading enhancer. An inference is an idea you make from clues in the text. What do they say? Add the pictures and what you know too. Put it all together, that's what readers do. That's what readers do. If a kid has boots and a coat on tight, dark clouds above, no sun inside. The book didn't say it started to rain, but you infer it might, using your brain. If a dog is wet and shaking around, paw prints and puddles all over the ground. The text didn't tell you he went for a swim, but you infer it happened, based on the clues you're given. Based on the clues you're given. Clues in the words, clues in the art, plus what you know, that's the smart part. Not guessing wild, not making it up, just using the clues to fill the cup. An inference is an idea you make from text, lists, clues you take. Add what you know and think it through, that's inferencing. And you can do it too.